Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best basketball mounting kit is probably one of the most exciting additions you can make to your home, transforming your space into a personal basketball court. Whether you're a seasoned player honing your skills or a casual enthusiast looking for some fun, having a reliable and sturdy hoop is essential. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Lifetime Basketball Mounting Kit, exploring its features, benefits, and why it might be the perfect choice for you. Number 5. Lifetime 44-inch Shatterproof Backboard and Rim Combo. Looking to replace an old backboard or set up a new court? This combo kit is ideal. It offers a durable and reliable solution for your basketball needs. The 44 by 30-inch backboard is made of Shatterproof polycarbonate fusion. This ensures it can withstand intense play in various weather conditions. It includes a slam-it rim and an all-weather net. This combination provides a great playing experience, whether you're practicing or playing a game. This kit can be mounted on a wall, roof, eave, or pole. Please note that the mounting bracket is sold separately, so you'll need to get the right one for your setup. Depending on your chosen mounting method, you may need to purchase additional hardware. This will help you complete the installation and get you playing quickly. What we like. This kit features a shatterproof polycarbonate backboard, ensuring safety and durability. It also comes with a slam-it rim and all-weather net, perfect for outdoor play. If you're looking to replace an existing board or set up a roof mount, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The product was better than the original that I had, which was worn out. The new backboard is made of better material than the old one and should last a good long while. It has held up for casual play, which is all we use it for. Number 4. Lifetime 95-94 Basketball Backboard Mounting Kit. This mounting kit is designed to secure your lifetime backboard. It includes some materials, but you may need additional hardware. This will depend on how you choose to attach it. This kit is only compatible with Lifetime brand backboards. Make sure it works with yours before you start. You can call customer service to confirm. You can mount it to a 3.5-inch pole, roof, or wall. Remember that hardware for the roof and walls is not included. You'll need to purchase additional hardware. Do not attach this to brick. Also, this model is not compatible with the Model 1044 mounting kit. Be sure to double-check your model numbers. Backboard and rim combo kits are sold separately. This kit provides a 9.5-inch backboard offset. Ensure you have everything you need before installation. What we like. This mounting kit offers versatile mounting options for your basketball backboard. It's designed specifically for Lifetime brand backboards, ensuring a perfect fit. If you are looking for a reliable and compatible mounting solution for your existing Lifetime backboard, consider this kit. What people say. This one had 3 mounting configuration including a roof mount option, which I used. The design allowed the ball to go to either side and then roll off the roof. This product can be mounted 3 ways, to a pole, to the wall, or to the roof. Number 3. Lifetime 38-23-44 inches. Backboard Rim Combo. This combo is designed for easy installation. You can mount it on a wall, roof, eave, or a 3.5-inch pole. Just make sure to use a Lifetime mounting bracket. The mounting bracket is sold separately. You may need to purchase additional hardware from a hardware store. This depends on your chosen method of attachment. It's ideal for replacing an existing backboard or roof mount. This is a great way to upgrade your basketball setup. The combo includes a 44-inch high-density polyethylene impact backboard, an 18-inch classic orange rim, and a 50-gram nylon net. Everything you need for a great game. The backboard features fade-resistant graphics. This ensures that it will maintain its appearance for years to come. It's built to last. What we like. This combo features a high-density polyethylene impact backboard with fade-resistant graphics, ensuring long-lasting performance. It also includes a durable rim and net. If you like the classic look and feel, and want a setup that can withstand the elements, you should consider this one. What people say. This backboard is much sturdier than the original and the old breakaway rim that we had fit this perfectly. It was easy to put up and it fit our existing brackets perfectly. Looks great on our old cemented in the ground pole. This was perfect for our old post. We just wanted a new backboard. You will need a pole and mount if you don't already have one. We used the old one and it lined up perfectly. Screws and bolts were included, so we swapped those as the old ones were rusted. It's had its fair share of abuse over the last few months from the kids and is still holding up strong. Number 2. Lifetime 48-inch Shatterproof Backboard Rim Combo. This is the Lifetime 48-inch Shatterproof Backboard Rim Combo. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use. The backboard is weather resistant and built to last. Please note that the mounting bracket is sold separately. You can mount it on a wall, roof, eave, or a 3.5-inch round pole. Additional hardware may be needed depending on your chosen method. The 48-inch steel-framed backboard is shatterproof, providing added rigidity. It's built to withstand the elements, ensuring long-lasting performance. It features an 18-inch Slam-It Pro rim made of solid steel. The rim includes wraparound bracing and double compression springs for a professional feel. The graphics are fade-resistant, ensuring the product maintains its appearance over time. You can enjoy the look and feel of a pro game right at home. What we like. This product boasts a 48-inch steel-framed shatterproof backboard, providing enhanced rigidity and weather resistance. It also features a Slam-It Pro rim for a professional feel. If you want the look and feel of the pro game at home, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This backboard even makes our house look better. The quality was great and pairing it with the mounting kit was perfect. We are almost through our first year and this has held up pretty well. Sturdy backboard and rim. Number 1. Lifetime 48 inches. Fusion Backboard and Rim Combo. Introducing the Lifetime Fusion Backboard and Rim Combo. This combo is designed for recreational basketball play, offering durability and performance for years to come. The backboard is made of 48 inches x 30 inches acrylic. It features a clear playing surface with fade-resistant graphics, ensuring it looks great even after extended use. It includes an 18-inch orange Slam-It rim made of solid steel. The rim is built to withstand intense play, featuring wraparound bracing and double compression springs for enhanced performance. The combo comes with a 2.5 ounces all-weather net. It's designed to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring it remains in top condition. This product comes with a 5-year limited warranty. This warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that the manufacturer stands behind the quality and durability of the product. Please note that mounting hardware is sold separately. You can purchase the Lifetime Mounting Kit model #S1044 9594 to complete your setup. What we like. This combo features a 48-inch acrylic backboard with a shatterproof playing surface, ensuring durability and safety. It also comes with a 5-year warranty for peace of mind. If you are looking for a high-quality, long-lasting setup with a warranty, you should consider it. What people say. The backboard is well made, and is constructed to allow for some dunking. The rim has adjustable springs, so you can leave it a little loose so the ball has more of a chance of going in, or tighten it all the way, and your shots have to be on point or the ball will bang out. All of the hardware is stainless steel, which was plus, and it was all there. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.